Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Alasia Imani. If you're a subscriber, hey. If you're a guy, then hey. So anyways, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a birthday flyer. I've been getting, notifications, stuff like this on my TikTok about the 2 flyers that I made. So why not give you all a video? Like, I did this video back, I lie. I did those flyers last year around this time or around June. So why not go ahead and do this like a year later? So anyways, yeah, so I'll be actually finally doing that video and finally doing, whatever. So anyways, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the notification bell if you're not notified as of yet. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video and bye. Hey besties, so like I said in the beginning, we are going to be doing another birthday flyer, but for this one it's kind of like a 2-parter, or kind of like part 2 to the first one. So yeah, anyways, we duplicate the next, so I don't have to, like do it all over. Basically what I have to do now is, what he wanted was, obviously his age changed. He wanted the information of his dinner party changed, and he wanted the picture to change. He didn't want to see a picture. So, he wanted the, he wanted to change the place to California Dreamer, which you will see in like the next clip, or probably right here. Yeah, so he wanted the place to be that, and if you ever been there, especially in like Charleston, South Carolina, then they are really good. I had it probably like 1 or 2 times, and I always got the salad, and it was like really good, really good. But anyway, so he wanted me to change that part, and then you will see me change the part and add the background and stuff like that to it. And basically that's all we're doing in this video. Now this is not, like I just said before, this is a part 2 kind of to the original flyer. But if you guys actually want to see the original flyer of how how it was before, let me know in the comments, because I will do that. Even if you don't know in the comments, like, I'm still gonna do it regardless. But I do want your feedback, and I do want to start talking to you guys and whatnot. Anyways, that's basically it. Well, that's basically all we're doing in this video. So make sure you guys like it. Make sure you guys comment, stuff that you might want to see. And of course, share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'm trying to get to 1K, okay? Is it possible? Yes. Am I almost there? Not really. But let's get to 100 first, and then let's go ahead and subscribe to 1K. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice like it was sweet, sweet, sweet. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in a. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Put you in. Are you ready? Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn, I guess I am. You might be the man, well that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay, cool, you want sunset? I am. I'm about to slide, okay, I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides. Except for the lack of time I get around my family. Making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, wait, this house mine. Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on a bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds fine. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Put you in.
Okay, so this is the final flyer as well as my thumbnail. So tell me what you think.